Do you ever wonder why, with all our incredible technology, we still can't seem to solve some of the world's biggest problems? We've got supercomputers in our pockets, we're colonizing Mars, we're on the cusp of creating true artificial intelligence, and yet we're still so divided. What if I told you the answer to a lot of this, the key to unlocking the next stage of human evolution and supercharging AI, goes all the way back to the beginning, like Genesis beginning. Remember the story of the Tower of Babel? In the Bible, it says all of humanity once spoke a single language, and because they could communicate and collaborate perfectly, they decided to build a tower so high it would reach the heavens. They were so powerful, so unified that God himself said, nothing they plan to do will be impossible for them. So to stop them, he scattered them across the earth and confused their languages. And just like that, progress stalled. Division began. Now, I'm not here for a theology debate, but think about that core idea. A single unified language leads to limitless potential, and its absence creates barriers. Look at our world today. We have over 7,000 languages. That's 7,000 different ways of thinking, of seeing the world, of coding reality. It's beautiful, yes, but it's also an incredible source of friction. Think about the trillions of dollars lost in international business due to mistranslations, the scientific breakthroughs that are siloed in different linguistic communities, the political misunderstandings that escalate into conflicts. It's the Tower of Babel on a global digital scale. And this is especially true for AI. We're trying to build an artificial general intelligence that can understand and help all of humanity. But how can it truly do that when its training data is a fractured, messy, and often poorly translated collection of human knowledge? We're feeding it a broken library. An AI trained predominantly on English will have an English-centric worldview. An AI trained on Mandarin will have a Chinese-centric one. We're not building a universal intelligence, we're building culturally biased algorithms. To truly unlock AI's potential and our own, we need to reverse the curse of Babel. We need to build a new universal bridge. So how do we do it? Is it even possible? I think it is, and it's not about forcing everyone to speak English or Mandarin. That's digital colonialism. The plan has to be more elegant, more human. Step 1. We create a new constructed language, let's call it Nexus. This isn't like Esperanto, which was a great idea but maybe a bit ahead of its time. Nexus would be designed from the ground up for the 21st century. It would be mathematically precise, making it perfect for coding and AI. It would be culturally neutral, borrowing logical structures and core concepts from all major language families. And most importantly, it would be incredibly easy to learn, maybe using memory techniques and gamified apps so a child could become fluent in under a year. Step 2, the dual language mandate. We don't replace local languages, we supplement them. We push for a global initiative where every child from kindergarten learns 2 languages: their native mother tongue, preserving their culture and identity, and Nexus, connecting them to the world. Imagine a generation where a kid from rural Peru can collaborate on a science project in real time with a kid from Tokyo, with zero communication friction. Step 3. AI as the ultimate teacher and translator. We use the very technology we want to advance to help us get there. AI tutors personalized for every single person on Earth could make learning Nexus effortless and fun. In the transition period, AI-powered real-time translation would become flawless because it's translating to and from a single, logically consistent language, Nexus, instead of the messy web we have now. Step 4. Incentivize adoption. Major tech companies, scientific bodies, and international organizations like the UN would adopt Nexus as their official language of operation. Want a job at Google? Want to publish in a top scientific journal? Want to work in international diplomacy? Fluency in Nexus becomes your golden ticket. This creates a powerful economic and social pull. This isn't about erasing culture. It's about adding a new layer on top of it. It's about giving humanity a shared operating system. With a single language, scientific collaboration would explode. Global trade would become seamless. AI could finally process the sum total of human knowledge without bias or error. The limitless potential that was feared at Babel could finally be realized, not to challenge the heavens, but to solve the problems we have right here on Earth. Climate change, disease, poverty. We are at a crossroads. We can continue building our separate, smaller towers, divided by language and misunderstanding. Or we can come together, build a common foundation, and start building something truly magnificent together. The choice is ours.